What are your workplace rights regarding overtime pay? Imagine working long hours and wondering if you're being paid fairly for every extra minute you put in. Knowing your rights about overtime pay can make a big difference in your paycheck and peace of mind. Under the Fair Labor Standards Act, most workers are entitled to overtime pay if they work more than 40 hours in a single week. Overtime pay must be at least 1.5 times your regular hourly rate. This law applies to non-exempt employees, which means those who do not meet specific criteria for exemption based on their job duties, salary, and responsibilities. To figure out if you qualify for overtime, there are 3 main tests. The first is the salary basis test. You must be paid a fixed salary that does not change based on hours worked or work quality. The second is the job duties test. Your main tasks should be executive, administrative, professional, or certain sales roles, often called white-collar jobs. The third is the salary level test. As of mid to 0 to 5, you need to earn at least $35,568 per year to be exempt. If you earn less than this, you are generally eligible for overtime pay regardless of your job duties. There was a plan to raise this salary threshold to $58,656 starting January 1, 2025, which would have meant more workers could claim overtime. But a court blocked this change in late 2024, so the lower threshold remains in effect for now. If your job is classified as non-exempt, your employer must pay you overtime for any hours worked beyond 40 in a week. Employers who label employees as exempt to avoid paying overtime may be breaking the law. Starting in 2025, there is also a new tax deduction that allows workers to deduct part of their overtime pay that exceeds their regular rate, which can lower your taxable income by up to $12,500 each year. Knowing your rights means checking whether you are classified as exempt or non-exempt based on your salary and duties. If you are non-exempt, you have the right to be paid for all extra hours worked. Employers must follow the current rules about salary thresholds, and any attempt to cheat employees out of overtime pay is illegal. Being aware of these rules can help you stand up for yourself if you're not being paid correctly. If you think your rights are being ignored, you can reach out to labor agencies or legal experts who know workplace laws well. Remember, fair pay for your work hours is your right, and understanding these facts helps you protect it.